Understanding Show of Unity, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, show of unity. This phrase is not only common in everyday language, but also carries significant meaning in various social and political contexts. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Show of unity refers to an act or display that demonstrates unity or agreement among a group of people. This phrase is often used in scenarios where individuals or groups, who might have different opinions or backgrounds, come together to present a united front. It's about showing solidarity and support for a common cause or belief. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. Political context. When politicians from different parties join forces on a particular issue, it's a show of unity. Social movements. When people from diverse backgrounds come together for a protest or a cause, they are making a show of unity. Sports and teams. When team members support each other despite differences, it's a show of unity. These examples help us understand that a show of unity is a powerful gesture, signifying strength and solidarity. Using show of unity in your conversations can be quite straightforward. It can be used both as a noun and a verb phrase. For instance, as a noun, the joint statement by the leaders was a show of unity. As a verb phrase, the community showed unity by standing together in the crisis. Remember, the context of unity and agreement is key when using this phrase. Show of unity is a meaningful phrase that you can use to describe moments of solidarity and agreement. Whether in political discussions, social issues, or even personal relationships, this phrase adds depth to your language. We hope this video helps you understand and use show of unity more confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.